So welcome back to Morocco Method International, where natural things happen. I'm Anthony Morrocco, founder, CEO, and still here running the company at 80 years of age. Healthy, happy, and strong, which I want to see everyone healthy, happy, and strong. Okay, so we're back to questions and answers. Peter is asking, when using elixirs for the first time, do you always recommend starting with gold and silver? Yes, but it's not an absolute. So I'm just suggesting gold, silver, then the 4 series, and the tri series. But you're asking, can I start with one that addresses the issue I'm experiencing? Of course, that's really where the individual comes in. I've really been having some problems with scalp sensitivity and itchiness lately. Should I use the amber elixir? Yeah, so for really sensitivity, itchy, I would start shampooing with the pine shale. So if you're alternating, I would alternate every other time with the pine shale. That'll really help with the scalp sensitivity and itchiness. And yes, the amber elixir, start with that. After you use that for, say, 4 weeks, then I would go to the gold. And the next time, do the amber. The next time, go to silver. So back and forth. Start with the amber for about 4 weeks. Then you can come down to the gold and silver. All right, then let me know how this is working out. Send me an email, let me know how the progress is going. I love progress reports. So this is Robert, also about the elixir series. How do I switch from one elixir series to the next? After I finish the gold and silver, do I need to rest for a week before starting the goddess series? Or what is your procedure? Yeah, you're right on. So definitely start off with the gold and silver, alternating. And then when you finish that, rest for at least 1 to 2 weeks. So don't do anything. And then from there, you're going to go down to our goddess series, the 4, and then alternate. You'll alternate the first, the next time the second, the next time the third, the next time the fourth. So earth, air, water, ether. Yeah, you have it down. So give it a rest in between. And again, I would really appreciate you guys sending in comments on how this procedure is coming along for you. Okay, so the next question comes from Celine. She's asking, can you use Morocco Method shampoos and conditioners on hair extensions? So hair with extensions. Oh yes, absolutely yes. But what I suggest is to water down our shampoos because they're very, very concentrated. And also water down our conditioners about 50%. So I would take the shampoo and about 50% of water, shake that up, and then use that to wash your hair. And then I would do the same thing with the conditioners, at least 50% or more, shake that up, use that, and alternate. I would definitely alternate, see which shampoos react better to your hair extensions. Of course, you can't brush your hair with the extension, so you're not going to get that full cleansing on the inside. But yes, shampoo and conditioner your extensions. It'll look very, very healthy. So this lady is a fan from Lebanon. So the fan from Lebanon is asking, I'm making a drastic change to my hair, such as a large cut, meaning she's going to cut a lot of hair off. Is this detrimental on certain days? Yeah, so you have all of our lunar days, and then you have the days not to cut. But you want to know if that's going to be too drastic for the equinox or solstice. I would preferably say to do it on full moons, on the full moon dates. I would do it then. When clients would come into me, no matter what, and they wanted a large amount of hair cut, I would say, look, we can always cut, we can't put it back. So why don't we start off with 1/3 of what you want to cut, wait a week or a month, let that enough come back, still a lot more hair, then we'll cut off a second third, and then wait a week or a month, and that's still enough, and come back the third time, and then we'll cut it down to where you're suggesting. So let's say that your hair is here, 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 quite long, so you want it cut to here. So I suggest the first time 1/3, the second time another third, and the third time, if you still want, 1/3, which is what you want. And I would say 90% of all my clients have never done as short as they wanted. They're usually satisfied with the reverse cut or they come back for the second. Very rarely do they come back for the third. So that's my suggestion. You have plenty of time. Your hair takes years to grow. So I would wait, cut them on full moons every month, once a month, and then 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. I think you'll find that very comfortable. You have long hair and you cut it really short, you're going to be shocked. Your psyche is going to be shocked. Your emotions are going to be shocked. Your personality is going to be shocked. And people are going to be like, wow, what did you do? There's another shock. So that's why I'm suggesting, yeah, if you want it this short, start off a little bit, then a little bit more, and then all the way if you continue doing that. It's a great time to do that with spring coming in. Maybe you want to start with the spring equinox dates for the first cut. It'll be March 17th or 18th or 19th for spring equinox. And then full moon, full moon. All right, let me know how that's coming along. I would really be interested. Use that all in good health.